others, and language is the secondary purpose is to convey someone's emotions or attitudes. English is a one such a great language that satisfies both the above purpose. English is a West Germanic language that originated from Ionic languages brought to Britain in the mid 5th to 7th centuries AD by Anglo-Saxon migrants from what is now northern West Germany and southern Denmark. Lindley Murray is the best known as the father of English grammar. English is spoken by 952 million people around the world, and 339 million people of them speak English as a first language. English is the official language in 67 countries and 27 non-sovereign countries such as Hong Kong. English is a very flexible and attractive language. For the many years, English has been most widely known and valued language on the planet. In the other words, English has become an efficient tool for communicating with other people all over the world. Also, English has become a part of many fields. It is used to communicate in many fields, from business to entertainment. As it has become a part of many fields, it automatically increases the chances of landing a good job in a good company. Many countries teach and encourage their youth to learn English as a second language. And because of all these reasons, English is a global language. Most importantly, English is the language of internet. Approximately 565 million people use internet every day, and 55.5% of them world's most visited websites are displayed in English. Also, English is very important for programming and coding. It is mostly used in American companies like IBM, Microsoft and other technology pioneers. English, in this fast evolving world, it is very essential to have an English language that we can understand the best use of data and information available. English has become a storehouse of various knowledge ranging from social to political. Also, English is a language of sky, means all pilots have to identify themselves in English during your international flight. All air traffic controllers during international flights must be able to communicate with pilot in English. English is the most important and essential language for now. Moreover, our favorite Hollywood movies are also in English. They have our Hollywood movies have a global appeal because of use of English. English is also help us to enjoy content like movies, songs, news, programs, public events, shows and so on. Additionally, English helps us to stay mentally healthy. People who speak more than one language fluently have a better confidence and activated brain from those people who don't speak. Like that, English helps us to stay mentally healthy so longer. The impact brought by English language in our lives are boundless. Let's realize the true potential of English language and remember the words of Roger Bacon. Knowledge of language is the doorway to wisdom. Do you know who is the best English speakers in India? The South Indian community. Yes, the South Indian community is the best English speakers in India. And considering the importance of English language, we also want to be the best English speakers in India. And of course, we all know the importance of English language very well. That's why we are all here today. That's all about my subject. Thank you for giving me your precious time.